All right, there's two ways to solve these dudes. One is called a one-to-one strategy. The other one is an inverse strategy. So here we go. This first one I'm going to solve using one-to-one. Whenever you do one-to-one, you're just pretty much trying to make one side look like the other side, so then you can easily see the answer. So check this out. If I have 2 to the x power equals 32, the question is there a way I can write 32 to have a base of 2? And the answer is yes. 2 to the power what? Yeah, it's 5. Okay. So if that's true, if 2 to the power of 5 gives you 32, what does x equal? Equals 5. Very nicely done, my students. Very nicely done. Okay, let's do another one. That's this guy right here. Now, this one is unique because it equals 0 on the other side. So we're going to use one-to-one again here. We have natural log of x minus natural log of 3 equals 0. What we're going to do is we're going to take this natural log of 3 and we're going to move it to the other side. That's right. We're going to move it. We're going to add natural log of 3 to both sides. And then after we do that, we get this. Natural log of x equals natural log of 3. Now, most of you guys at this point can tell me what the answer is. Like, what does x equal?
3.
Equals 3. No problem. This is using the one-to-one way. Now, if I was using the inverse way, I would do one extra step. Because some of you guys are so used to just trying to get x alone, you just want to get x alone. Do you guys know how to get rid of a natural log? Natural log has a base e. So in order to get rid of this, we're going to go base e to both sides. And then I get shebang. X equals 3. Ooh, what about the next one? Very good question. I knew you guys were asking that question in your head. All right, we're going to do one-to-one yet again. So I have 1 over 3 raised to the x power. And then on the other side, I have 9. Hey, is there a way I can write a 9 with a base of 3? Let's see. I'm going to write it out for you guys. I have 1 over 3 raised to the x power. And then I have 1/3 raised to the what power? Oops. 1/3 raised to what power? You saw the answer. Yeah, negative flips the fraction. 2 raises the 3 to the second power. And then we get a 9. So it is -2. So what does x equal?
-2.
Yeah, this is one-to-one, people. One-to-one. All right, what about this guy? Is that going to be able to be done? Can I write 7 as a base of e? Can I make the 7 look like the e? No, foolie. Instead, we're going to use inverse operations to do that. We got to get rid of that e. How do we get rid of the base e? To do that, we're going to use a log with a base e. Log with a base e is natural log. So I'm going to natural log both sides of this dot. And then I get x equals natural log of 7. That's your answer. This is the exact answer. I don't see anywhere up here where it says round to 3 decimal places. So that means we got to leave it just like that. If it says round to 3 decimal places or use a calculator, you got to throw this into your calculator and round to the 3rd decimal place. All right, next one. We're going to use inverse on this one. And that's kind of clear because we have a log function with the x inside of it. How do I get rid of this log function? I want this x alone. Go away, natural log. How do I get rid of this natural log? Ah, close. You guys, some said times it by e, but it's raised to the base of e. So check out, look what I got. I have no more e to natural log. I just have x equals e to -3. Very nicely done. Last. Well, Scooby. Okay, last one. We're going to use inverses yet again. I use inverses the most. We have log of x equals -1. Now, I don't have to use a 10 because the regular log, the common log, has a base 10. But I'm going to go ahead and write it anyways because they did over here. I just don't want you guys to get confused. Alright, so I'm going to have to raise both sides to the base 10 to get rid of this natural log. Whatever the base the log has, alright, so it's not a natural log. Whatever the base the log has, that's what you raise it to. So in this case, it's 10. These go away. I get x equals, what is negative 1 power of 10? Yeah, equals 1 over 10. Gotta drop him like he's hot.